Hey y'all, it's Miss Sanagar here. I am going to walk you through our week 2 assignment number 1 uh, assignment, which is due on Wednesday. So what we're going to be doing is organizing your Google Drive portfolio. This is going to involve a series of steps that I'm going to explain. So you want to either download the Google Drive app on your cell phone, or of course you can use Google Drive on your desktop. I recommend Google Chrome. I recommend to have Google Drive downloaded on your cell phone if you have space. And then also I recommend for you to have an app called Genius Scan, because it allows you to take some really nicely contrasted images of your sketches in your sketchbook. So I recommend Genius Scanner as a tool. So after you've done that, you are going to log into Google Drive from either your cell phone or your desktop. You're going to go to Shared with Me and find your second period AP3D folder. So you can see here that I've included a screenshot from my phone, and here's the Shared with Me icon. What that means is that we obviously have a shared folder. What you want to do after that is add it to your own drive, because that means that you will have it, it's just easier to access from your own drive. So try to locate the option to add it to your drive so that you don't have to always be looking at it for it in our shared drive. Then you're going to use the search option if you can't find it. So you're going to go up here, and this is just a tool that I'm throwing out there for you. Whenever you're lost or you can't find something, you can just use this up here to type the teacher's name or to type your name or whatever it is that you're looking for. That's a tool that you can use. So the objective is to create a folder and title it. So at this point you should have already found the folder that I shared with you. And then you're going to title it with your last name, your first name, and your ID number. So for example, my last name, my first name, and my ID number. You will then create 3 subfolders, and you're going to title them like this. You're going to title them Sketches, Process Documentation, and then Final Selected Works. This is what it's going to look like. So here's my exemplar folder. This is the folder that I shared with you guys. It's called Second Period AP Portfolios for the year 2020 and 21. My exemplar folder shows you how I want them labeled. Last name, first name, ID number. You can also color code it so that it's easier for you to find it. So when you open your folder, after you've created it, right, and you create that folder by clicking on New Folder, and then after you've created your folder, you're going to go into your folder, right? So let me repeat that again. You've created your folder, you're going to go into your folder, and you're going to create 3 subfolders. This is going to allow you to organize your future work, your sketches, your process documentation, and then the final selected works. And what that means is that you're going to put the best works that you have, the ones that you know you're definitely going to submit, you're going to put those in the final. I recommend to color code them. So after that, you're not quite done yet. The last step for our organization is that we have to find and move the folders from your 9th, 10th, and 11th grade years into your new folder. You're going to merge all of your previous work into your new folder. Some of you may have 2 art classes, 2 AP art classes. You do not have to move the 2-dimensional stuff, just the 3-dimensional stuff. So the way that you're going to do that is by, for example, finding the folder that you want to move. You're going to search for it in your drive. You can actually just search by typing your name, or by typing my name if you had me as a teacher, right? So you can type Riggs, or you can type your name, and then that'll bring up the folders that you have made in the previous years. After that, you are going to right-click, move to your new folder. So you're just going to move that folder back into your new folder so that you can merge the folder that you have, right? So you're going to go into your drive or into the shared drive, depending on where it is, and you will find your folder with your name on it, which would, for me, would be right here. Where is it? Okay, well, anywho, I can't find it. But you're going to drop it into your new folder, and then just click Move, and you're done. So that's it for Monday and Tuesday. The last thing that you're going to need to do is just make sure that you have moved and titled those folders. Okay, talk to you guys later. Let me know if you have any questions.